Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. Head coach of the senior reggae boys, Hallgrimmson, says he's impressed with the fighting spirit of the team as they progressed to the semi-finals of the CONCACAF Nations League with a dramatic come-from-behind 3-2 win over Canada in their second leg quarter-final match in the CONCACAF Nations League in Toronto last night. In last night's post-match press conference, Hallgrimmson said this result represents more than just a win.
To the players and to the Federation of the football in Jamaica, it of course changes a lot of things for 2024 for Jamaica. Playing semi-final in the Nations League, playing Copa America finals is of course huge, not only for building of this team, but also financially for the Federation. So of course, we are all delighted, and especially delighted for the players because they have been fantastic.
Going into the second leg with a 2-1 deficit, the Jamaicans were even further behind when Alphonso Davies scored in the 25th minute. However, the Reggae boys came out and had a better showing in the second 45 with 2 goals in the space of just 4 minutes from Shamar Nicholson. Nicholson equalised in the 63rd and then put Jamaica ahead just about the 66th minute. The Canadians then pegged one back through Ismail Kone. Bobby Reid, though, sealed the win from the penalty spot in the 78th minute to send the Jamaicans through on away goals. They'll face USA on March 21 in Dallas, Texas. The US defeated Trinidad and Tobago 4-2 on aggregate in their tie. Claron College coach Lenworth Hyde says his team's ability to withstand the pressure from the St. George's College unit is what proved to be the difference maker in Tuesday's Champions Cup contest. Claron College came away 3-1 winners thanks to goals from Justin Hales, Kaheem Dixon and Tidane Williams after Jujinbu Powell opened the scoring for St. George's College.
I told them that in the game, the opponent will have moments. And in the moments when Georges had it about 6 corners consecutively against us, I think we stood our ground and defended well, head out some ball and then we get them on the counter. So it was a disciplined performance from the team. And I must lift my hat to them. I must lift my hat to the Georges team also. They put up a spirited performance.
Earlier, Kingston College came from behind to beat Dintil Technical 3-2. Captain Robert Seo got a double for KC either side of a Jaheim McLean strike to cancel out goals from Tyrese Gow and Giovanni Afflick.
I mean, these boys have been exhibiting the sort of fighting spirit from the start of the competition. Today was no less. I mean, we went down 1-0, 30 seconds in a game, and I thought we equipped ourselves. It took us a little bit of time to work out what we needed to do. It took us maybe about 25 minutes, and once we got that right tactically, I mean, we get it right and got two goals early in the first half. I thought we could have put away the game from early in the second half, but a couple of missed chances. But overall, I thought we deserved the victory.
At St. Elizabeth Technical, Mona High were sent packing as they were beaten 1-0 by Glenmuir, while first-timers Hydel came from 2 goals down to beat Garvey Maceo 4-2 at Manchester High. West Indies A hold a 24-run lead over South Africa A at sports time on day 2 of their first 4-day match in Benoni. South Africa A were 3 without loss. This after the West Indies A posted 314 for 9 after resuming on 46 without loss in reply to the South Africans' first innings 287 for 9. Tejnarain Chandapol took his overnight 27 to a top score of 78, while Kavim Hodge also made a half-century with 73. There were also useful lower-order contributions from Akeem Jordan, who made 40, and Kevin Sinclair, 39. Opener Zachary McCaskey was dismissed for 31 after resuming on 17. Shepo Moreki was the pick of the South African bowlers, claiming 3 for 56, while there were 2 wickets each for Dane Peat and Hardus Villoen. And the West Indies Academy team secured a 2-1 series win over Emerging Ireland in their 3-match 50-over series after carving out a 6-wicket win in the third and deciding match at the Sir Viv Richards Stadium in Antigua. The Irish sent to bat were first dismissed for 174 in 43.4 overs. Stephen Dehaney top scored with 64. Ashmead Ned took 3 for 28, Joshua Bishop 3 for 32, and Kevin Wickham 3 for 42. West Indies Academy then replied with 179 for 4 in 40.3 overs. Naeem Young top scored with an unbeaten 79, while Matthew Nandu made 63. Matthew Humphreys took 2 for 43 for the Irish. And that's it for your midday sports report. Shimela?
Thank you, Jordan. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.